Hi, my name is Troy Tassier. I'm an economist at Fordham University. I conduct research on the economic impact of social networks. I investigate how we can leverage knowledge of social network structure along with economic incentives to improve public health outcomes. I'm creating a series of video lectures to help improve our understanding of the current coronavirus outbreak. The first videos in this series discuss key epidemiological principles such as compartmental models, the reproduction number, or R, herd immunity, flattening the curve, and social distancing. I'm sure that these are all concepts that you've heard in the news over the past few weeks. In the next videos, I look at data from the pandemic and ask questions like, how do we know if social distancing is effective? Where would Italy be without social distancing? And how will we know early if we are flattening the curve in the United States? I hope that you enjoy the videos. I will be making one or two a week over the course of the pandemic, and I hope that everyone is well.